Thank you very much. Just as you know, we spoke about the e-gates, and Abuja, as we know, Abuja, the emergency way is 100% complete. And but you know, the number we just got of about 8 gates, 8 gates, and that's 100% complete. And we are ready to go.
Please, if you have applied for passport, please go and take the passport. We have over 170,000 passports that have already been produced, and applicants have not put them. So please, Nigerians should go and pick up the passport. You know that technology is anywhere in the world is meant to improve your services, your processes. So this will go along with not only in border security, but also in passage and also the productivity of our officers and the exactly right now, and it keeps continue to follow this process, continue doing training and capacity building all the time.
Thank you.
Border security is core that combat. Passport is just one of the tools we use in managing migration. And of course, very soon we'll be doing the border core training for all our officers. Our officers go there is one of the key things that I have promised myself that I'll look into. And I think we've started doing that gradually. And like I said, we're lucky we have a good minister who listens, who has human feelings. And the moment I met him, I said, listen, we have this debt on ground. We need to pay our officers. Welfare is key. And he agreed, gave me that go ahead. So we'll continue doing that. It's a continuous thing. It will not stop. We have to keep batching until we clear, make sure that nobody is owed anything, not even a kobo. I don't want to owe any officer.
Yes, sir. You'll be very achieved. And it's a promise.
Okay.
Pleasure.